I've just shown up in a country that I did not think I would be back to so quickly here. I'm gonna let you guys have a little guess where I am by showing you this right here. One of my favorite meals. This is taku taku. Another hint is that it's right on the ocean here. It's not much of a hint though. Yeah. And my last hint. Wow, you are pretty good.
Yeah, I am.
She's like, I'm like a dolphin, I can stay for hours. Oh. So, why am I back in South America? Well, as we speak, a couple of sailors by the name of Riley and Elena are headed across the Atlantic Ocean on their ship. No, not this kind of a ship, more like this one. Now, as you can probably imagine, crossing an ocean is not like doing a road trip. You can't just Google Maps your way there because you're at the mercy of the winds. So, whenever they arrive and wherever they arrive, I'll be meeting them here, nearby South America. But in the meantime, I'll be hanging out here with Katy. She's actually the one that showed me around Peru about 5 months ago. Today's adventure started with an early alarm and a ton of excitement. Bueno? Our flight's been delayed. Vamos a la jungla. That's Spanish for let's go to the jungle. See?
Sí.
She can confirm.
Muy bien.
And so it begins. Wow. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Even in the jungle, she's doing meetups.
Yeah, super linda. Gracias.
Look at the bag tags. It's a macaw. So we've just arrived here in Madre de Rios and we are now going on a 15-minute car ride to the river. From there, we have a 45-minute ride up the river in a boat to our hotel. So excited. This is amazing. This is a dream come true. Have you ever been to the jungla?
Jungla?
Jungla, right.
Jungla, no, I'm really scared. I don't like dogs.
I already got attacked by one.
Yeah, he was screaming like a girl.
I just asked if I need my malaria medication and apparently they don't have malaria here, so that's good to know. Wish I knew that before I spent $100 on malaria medication, but real out here.
Maybe next time you should get a vaccine for grasshoppers.
Alright, here we go. This is what we're taking to our hotel. The water is moving 17 kilometers an hour downstream, and this is because it's the rainy season, so the water levels are higher. There's more flowing through the Amazon. So cool. Oh my god. This is a dream come true. Yeah, you can see how brown the water is. And we've made it. Whoa. So they've made a walkway out of these tree stumps. We've just arrived at the Reserva Amazonica. It's part of the Inca Terra group. And we're gonna be doing one night here and then we got 2 nights at their other location, which we're gonna take another boat to get to. Wow. Oh my gosh. Everything's surrounded by bug nets. Definitely a necessity. Survival skills 101.
Yeah?
Always
shake your boots.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
I don't want a snake on my boots.
There's a snake in my boot. This is huge.
This eel.
Eel?
This is the bushmaster.
So big.
Bob viper in the rainforest.
This is a bullet ant. It's got a stinger and a bite, and it hurts a lot. You do not want to get bit by it.
Painful.
And this is
Very
a small
painful.
one.
And that's a small one.
Big one. This big.
Oh my
Bigger
gosh.
than me, almost.
And that is one of the caimans that call this place home. Alright, check this out guys. This is serious safari feels. This is as, I just tasted my lips and they taste like bug spray. Ugh, that's horrible. One of the amazing things about this place is that you feel like you're part of the nature. So you've got a comfortable bed, you've got a nice place you can shower, you've got a fan overhead, but the amazing thing is this cabin is open concept. So you have basically full immersion to the nature around you. all I can hear is birds and little crickets and insects and all that stuff that surrounds us. The things that make the Amazon so incredible. I feel like I'm part of that while still having this beautiful luxury accommodation. So that in itself is just a world-class experience. These are the beds. Out here, you've got these beautiful little hammocks. And today is my first day in the field with this brand new bag here. Low Pro sent me the drone guard. I've got 5 lenses with me, a 1DX and a Phantom 4 Pro with 2 batteries. Everything basically ready to roll out for a full day here in the Amazon. Let's go.
En Cuba. Si no han visto ese video, tienen que verlo.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Where?
There's something in there. It looks like a...
Oh yeah, that's so cute.
What is it? It's like humping the ground. He's like doing bum drops.
Twerk.
He's twerking. What is it doing with his butt?
My anaconda don't.
Look at you.
My anaconda don't. My
Bum drop.
anaconda don't want
What is he
none
doing?
unless you got
Hola.
buns, hun.
All right, here we go. Jurassic Park time. Katy decided she didn't need a long sleeve.
Qué rico. Ay, qué rico. Ay. ¿Qué es? ¿Jazmín?
We call
¿Cómo huele como
tropical milk weed.
Tropical milk.
420.
Jose Luis, my name.
Jose Luis.
My nickname Pepe.
Pepe, yeah.
That's it.
And you were born here.
I born here.
Everywhere we go, there's lizards just sprinting around. There's so many of them.
Yeah, there's so many.
I think you get a fever.
Wow.
Si te pican 4.
4.
So he's saying these little tiny red ants, if you get bit 4 times, you can get a fever. Ooh, gushy, gushy, gushy. Squishy, squishy, squishy. There's so many bugs on the ground. The water is almost like a tea color.
Yeah, because that is the leaf they fall.
Yeah? So it's because of the leaves breaking down in the water.
You understand what that means? Emergent. Emergent tree. So who grows very fast.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is one of the emergent trees that we call Chihuahuaco.
This can grow as tall as 50 meters. And because the soil is not very deep here in the Amazon, they have to grow wide because they can't go deep. That's something in your worst nightmare. Look at these spikes.
You want to wake up next to it.
You can hear all the bugs and then some like different bird calls. You can hear Katy complaining.
I didn't say anything.
Sucking all my blood.
Jeez. But there's no malaria here.
No malaria.
That's good. Every time I'm behind Katy, there's at least 10 or 15 of them just going bzzz, swarming around her.
They love me.
They love you, but they've not been landing on me because I guess I just don't taste good, so I'm okay with that. Not being wanted is sometimes a little painful, but I'm okay. Why does nobody want me?
I'm sweating. Mosquitoes are biting me.
Nah, they're not biting you.
Yes, I swear my neck is bitten. So I'm just gonna stay like this. But I swear I'm suffocating right now.
You look like a chicken nugget.
Oh my god, look at that ant. It's huge.
Are they safe? Will they attack me?
No, never.
Never. Guys, here it is. It's the guti. It's that thing that I saw doing a bum drop earlier. Are they tasty? All right, we survived our first expedition.
Donde usted guste.
So now it's time for some lunch, and at 2:50 we're gonna be meeting with Pepe once again to go and do the canopy walk. Ooh, look at this. This is lovely. I'm so excited. I've just ordered some delicious meals here, and the awesome thing is they all have like local ingredients infused into them.
I'm gonna eat dessert and I'm not gonna share it with you. Never mess with my desserts.
That's Katy.
Yeah, that's me.
We got some chicken fingers, because at the end of the day I still love chicken fingers, but they combined it with some of the local ingredients. So right here I've got a dried plantain. It's kind of like a banana. What do you got there?
Causa. So it's like mashed
potatoes?
Mashed yellow potato with mayo. It has chicken, vegetables, eggs. It's very good. This one is my favorite thing.
Oh yes.
Let's steal from your
Are you
plate.
jealous right now?
I'm super jealous. This is good too.
But it's not lomo saltado.
And he's like, I told you to order lomo saltado.
Food in Peru is insane, and lomo saltado was the king. It was the winner of all my meals. Actually, taku taku is a runner-up. Another amazing meal. But she has to be one of the biggest foodies I've ever met.
I know. I'm the best guide in the world.
You are. You're Look at this, guys. It's like an ant motorway. They're all following the same path. Hurry up, I'm gonna be late for work. Wow. We are rejoined by Pepe. Just walked into a spider web. Right now, I'm just blown away by all of the ants we're seeing.
Look at that ant, it's huge.
We've seen probably about 3 or 4 or 5 different specimens, but Pepe was saying there's like hundreds of different specimens here in the Amazon. Squish. Kinda like it.
Yeah.
Therapeutic. It's like a stress ball. So this is called a walking palm, and as you can see here, it looks like the roots have basically become the base of the tree. So we've just arrived here at one of the oldest trees in the entire Amazon, and there's only a few of these species around. It's known as the Latarello tree. This one's at least 1,000 years old. It's incredible. We're gonna climb up top. Oh wow. Would you look at it? Oh my gosh, we're so high up. Oh, now I'm feeling humidity and the heat.
It is.
It's very hot out. Caliente.
Oh god. No! Stop. It's not funny. I'm terrified. Stop.
Look how high up we are.
It's moving way too much. Do you know, guys, what he did 5 seconds ago? He dropped my camera here. I don't know how I didn't went through those holes. Please don't let him do that.
If you break your camera on the Amazon, you can use Prime and get a new one within 48 hours. This thing sways back and forth. This is what happens when you sprint it.
Be careful. Oh. Something fell on my head. He was running and 2 of these fell down and hit me in the head.
You know what we call that?
I don't know what is it.
No, it's called karma.
It's not called karma.
That tree looks like something out of like Lord of the Rings, like one of the walking Ents. It's beautiful. This is canopy number 4. I think there's 3 more to go.
It's so high. Please don't move too much. Please don't. Please stop. Please stop. Stop. You're moving way too much. Okay. No me hacen nada.
Go.
Look, you're enjoying this.
It's good for the vlog. Let's get down from the wasp nest.
I hate wasps.
There he is. Oh, he's running. Look how beautiful and graceful he is. How often do you get to see an animal you didn't even know existed? Like, that is why I'm excited to be here in the Amazon, is to see things like this Guti. It's like watching Star Wars and getting a porg. You didn't know you needed it until you saw it. Nom, 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 nom. Chapter 2. So we have just boarded the boat here, and we're gonna be going back up the Amazon River to try and find some of the coolest animals that inhabit this river, and they're known as the Cayman alligator. And what's really cool is we're gonna be using this super high-powered LED flashlight powered by like a massive car battery to try and find these alligators in the water. You flash the light into the river, and because of the coating inside of the crocodile's eyes, it actually bounces back the light. So that's how you find them. Hopefully we get lucky today, and let's do it. I think the best way to see how many mosquitoes we see is by looking right at that light there. You see like 3 of them fly by every second. Oh my gosh, the biggest mosquito just flew by. It's sitting over there.
It's me.
Alright, well that concludes our Amazonian mosquito tour. We were successful. I saw about 1,000 mosquitoes. But no crocodiles. not today. Just left with crocodile tears, if you know what I'm saying. I think the number one thing that we can see right now is the stars. There's like zero cloud cover tonight, no pollution, just beautiful nature, and the stargazing is incredible. Knowing how much biodiversity there is here, we didn't get to see much of it, but the fantastic thing is we've got 2 more complete days here in the Amazon. Overall, it's been a fantastic day, and most of all, I got to see one of those bucket list places. I got to see the Amazon. Now it's time to get some dinner.
But Christian,
Yeah, what's up?
you saw a monkey?
Oh, you?
No, every time you look at yourself in the mirror.
Oh. Thank you very much today, Pepe. I appreciate it. Yeah.
No, thank you very much. Thank you.
pleasure.
You're very kind.
So both Katy and I, we kind of do the same job. We do YouTube, and our jobs are always on our phones, but there's no internet here. How does it feel?
No signal, anything.
Yeah.
It feels amazing.
Yeah.
It's a great vacation today.
Seriously, I feel so
haven't-
relaxed.
I haven't been like this maybe in the 7 years, since 7 years ago.
7 years?
Yeah,
Holy.
really, for real. So it feels very good.
Yeah. That is the end of day 1 here in the Amazon. Guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when part 2 is posted. And if you're coming to Peru, I've actually made an entire travel video guide. Check out the link down below. I've got a completely free preview of the guide, and it'll be a great head start for your trip to Peru. Let's get lost again in the next one.